For Bitcoin on monthly time frame, as we can see on the chart, every time in the previous cycles Bitcoin reached to the top, the RSI on monthly time frame was above 90 level. And now in this cycle, every time Bitcoin make a new all-time high, the RSI couldn't pass actually 75. And in my opinion, this is just a consolidation for monthly RSI for Bitcoin. The support we have got on weekly time frame at the moment is about 99.6k, and the resistance we have in here is about 132 to about $148,000. Depends when Bitcoin actually can reach to this resistance line. Hello and welcome back to my trading educational and analytical videos. Hope you are doing well. According to the global liquidity we have got in here, it is still rising to the upside and Bitcoin is following that as well. The fear and greed index is still at the greedy zone and we might see a little bit pull back to the neutral zone because I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop a little bit to the downside, as I'm gonna show it to you on daily time frame in just a few minutes. The USDT dominance is falling to the downside. The monthly candle for May is going to close in the next few days, and the April and May candles are really bearish, and I'm expecting June, July, the next few months, actually for USDT to be even more bearish to the downside. And maybe we are going to see USDT to break the support about 3.6%, and we see more downside movement to the support about 2.7%. The S&P 500, as you can see on the chart on weekly time frame, we have got bullish divergence on RSI for S&P 500, and we have got bullish divergence on MACD histogram on weekly time frame as well. And about 2 weeks ago, MACD made the bullish cross as well for S&P, and because of those things, I'm expecting S&P to rise even more to the upside, and I'm expecting S&P in the next few months to reach to about 6,700 to about 6,800. And because of that rise, I'm expecting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies raise to the upside as well. Before we go on another chart, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate it. For Bitcoin on monthly time frame, as we can see on the chart, every time in the previous cycles Bitcoin reached to the top, the RSI on monthly time frame was above 90 level. And now in this cycle, every time Bitcoin make a new all-time high, the RSI couldn't pass actually 75. And in my opinion, this is just a consolidation for monthly RSI for Bitcoin. And I'm expecting a lot more upside movement comes to the RSI for Bitcoin and reach to about this 86 level I have got in here, because this is a resistance for RSI. As you can see on the chart, I have got the blue zone used to work as a resistance in 2021 and even in 2024, and for several times rejected the price of Bitcoin to the downside. But after Bitcoin in November 2024 could pass this resistance zone, backtested that in March and April, and now it's rising to the upside again. The first resistance I have got in here about $140,000, and if Bitcoin can pass 140k, can reach to the 100% of the Fibonacci extension, about $166,000. But passing $170,000 is very unlikely in this cycle. If we go on weekly time frame, as you can see, this movement we have got is so similar to the previous movement. As I explained for several times, we had 50 MA on weekly time frame worked as a support. Bitcoin passed the yellow resistance line and the MACD made a bullish cross, and this time the 50 MA was the support and Bitcoin passed the yellow resistance line. We have got in here the MACD made a bullish cross as well. The support we have got on weekly time frame at the moment is about 99.6k, and the resistance we have in here is about 132 to about $148,000. Depends when Bitcoin actually can reach to this resistance line I have got in here. And on daily time frame, as I told you, I'm expecting a little bit downside movement for Bitcoin. The thing is, after the rejection we had few days ago on this red daily candle, Bitcoin actually couldn't reach to the all-time high again. And if Bitcoin can reach to the all-time high, about $111,800, that might work as a resistance for now for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin drops the downside, the price about $101,000 is the support. As always, let me know what you expect. Thank you so much for the support on the recent video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.